To design our resume, we actually need to do a little prep work first. So what we want to have on our resume page is a visual image of our resume and a PDF download of our resume. So let's get started on how we can make that happen. So I have my resume already as a PDF. And so wherever you create your resume from, whether that's InDesign or Word, you want to export it out as a PDF. Now, I'm not going to get into that method because everyone might be using a variety of different tools and I couldn't possibly demonstrate all the different exports. But just you can Google how to export from whatever you're using as a PDF. So that's part one. The second part is creating an image. A PDF is not an uploadable image. So I need to change this to a JPEG. So I'm going to Control-click, and I'm going to open this with Preview. Now, if you're not on a Mac, you will just need to use whatever operating system equivalent is a preview. You can also open it in a variety of other programs to export it. Again, I couldn't possibly imagine all the different software operating systems that exist. So simply Google, how do I change a PDF to a JPEG on, and then whatever device you have. So I'm going to go File, Export, JPEG. I'm going to make sure I'm going back to the same folder, hit save, and now you can see I have both the JPEG and a PDF in there. Just note that neither of these have my home address. They do have my email, they do have my websites, but no one really needs your home address on your resume. So back to my WordPress page. I'm going to add a little text. So I've given the viewer some instructions about what to expect. I'm going to add, and I have an image. So I'm going to add an image block, and I'm going to upload that resume image. So here is that image. Now, between the image and my text, I'm going to have my download button. So for that, I want a file, and I'll upload my PDF. And so here is what my resume page looks like. I've got my download button, I've got my image. That looks good, so I'll go ahead and update that page. So just a reminder that you do not need to include your physical address. You can add your phone number or not. But remember, once your website is active, anyone can find that. So be selective with what you choose to present with that. In my case, I have a version that I might take around to job fairs, and then I have another that I have online with my resume page.